What is good, YouTube? I'm back. As you can already tell, I'm actually back. I know y'all gonna be like, yo, 12 days. Come on, bro. Thought you were gonna be back every other day. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, kind of lied. Got a little busy. Not really. I actually got a little lazy. So this is me coming back because, like, I actually gotta do it. I actually want it, so I actually gotta do it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I gotta stop the slacking. So here I am. I'm back. TikTok post actually coming out today. Let's see. All right, let me catch y'all up on what's happened in the past 12 days. You heard? All right. So boom. I know y'all already see the balance in the demo. It's like, Chris, what? Weren't you at like 70K? Nah, I'm at 1.1 mil. No, I didn't actually win it all. I literally did this so I could just be positive. So I was positive till today. Today, look, two major losses. I had the bias, I had it all, but it was crazy, alright? So let me put you on what I did. Oh, my funded, the one is good. But for Alpha Futures, I forgot to deactivate it. So on my phone, it said I got charged. I said, what? So now I have another funded account, bro. I literally just blew it up. I made 1.5 yesterday with it. Didn't trade today with it because it was kind of rough. But, bro, it's getting wicked over here, bro. I don't know, like, bro, all right, let me stop chatting. All right, let me show you what I've been, you know what I'm saying? All right, so, you know what I'm saying? The good old, what we always do in this Chris Journal day trading vlog, whatever you want to call it, we go to the daily and see how the market's moving. So, clearly, what time is it? 5:26. All right, the market completely stopped right now because it's always that break between 5 and 6. Boom. So, look. We're in a bearish trend. We're in a daily bearish fair value gap right here. So clearly, market's gonna move downwards. All right, that's just how it goes. We have another one as well right here, or no? Well, yeah, it is right here. So, in conclusion, I put bearish for the day, but there's two fair value gaps right here, so they compete with each other. You know what I'm saying? But you also gotta think a daily order block right here. Why? Because market structure was broken, trend to the downside. Yeah. I know. I sound a lot more smarter than I used to. I don't know. Maybe I am. Maybe I'm not. But I'm getting the hang of it. That's going to be the title. I'm getting the hang of it, right? So, boom. All right. All right. Let me clear this off and let me draw the lines for you. All right, guys? Because, bro, that John's low-key getting confusing. All right. So, here you go. Because I only took 2 trades today. Ready? Bam. Bearish daily fair value gap right here. Boom. Yup. We got the order block right here. Well, I mean, I guess it counts, yeah. Boom. We also have a bullish fair value gap right here. All right. Boom, which we tapped in which why we kind of went up for today. All right. But I'm not done yet. I figured this actually kind of helps me. Where is it? Bro, where are all my markers? What the heck? Yo, I'm getting sold. All right, bam. Horizontal ray. Move this, John. Bam. Dude, whatever you see is the highs and the lows, right? These are areas that we want to target in the future. All right, guys? Not as of right now, but in the future. Because to me, what I think happens is obviously these are points of liquidity, resting liquidity. Bam, bam, you know what I'm saying? So, my hypothesis, or maybe it's true, maybe it's not, because, you know, sometimes it gets broken when the candles actually reach this point. Either a reversal happens or it breaks through, you know what I'm saying? Like, or it has support candles to help it out. Right now, like, this support tomorrow morning, right? I'm pretty sure it's going to be bearish unless it's going to create an inverse fair value gap. And then maybe the next 2 days comes here, just does a complete reversal, or we get new highs again. I don't want that. I hate highs. I'm very bad at trading with new highs, all right? So, all right, now let's get to the 4 hours. We got all that laid out, right? Yeah, I was tinkering, all right? That's why you see all that. Just to be positive, all right, guys? Yeah. You see that risk? All right, but I'm tweaking, so I'm literally going to lower that as soon as, yeah. I actually don't know why it's that high. Like, I don't trade with that type of money, so I don't know. I don't know. It just feels good, you know? Like, it also gets my heart racing, so when I actually trade on the funded, it's just like, damn. That's basically the reason. But I broke my thing, so I ran 2 miles. When was this? 22nd. I ran 2 miles. Killed myself. Dang, I broke my confidence to 3 trades, 3 to 5 trades max. All right, guys. That's basically what my thing is. You know what I'm saying? Less is better. So yeah, that's why I ran a mile that day. 2 miles I meant. So yeah, boom. All right, now we're into 4 hours. I got off track. Damn. All right, so boom. 4 hour Fair Valley Gap. Obviously, I know this gets confusing, but it's like when you really like do this a bunch, you get used to it. Boom. Look, we went in there as usual. Create another one right here. Another 4 hour. Like bro, it's just mapped out for us. Boom. Break structure to the downside. Where? Basically right here. There's also a Fair Valley Gap, but it got inverse. So boom. Order block is up here. So like, let's do it like this. Order block. Sorry. Order block. Like, this may seem confusing, but it's really not. We have resting points of liquidity here. Like, even though like that's not my daily highs or lows, but it's like it's points where like if the market goes to it, you know, a reversal or it's gonna break through is gonna happen. That's what I basically deduced. So alright, but in reality, this is what you really do. You go to 1800. It's the low. Put the marker there. Oh shit, well that's for today. Whoops. Alright, it's all conjunct. We'll do it tomorrow. This is low-key like bothering me now. But look at all this liquidity right here. This is high resistance liquidity, I believe. Or low resistance. Same. No, it's not the same, but yeah. So boom. I think I'm taking too much time, but you know what? It's good to get in depth, you know. People like me, new, watching me, trying to help me understand, you know, they're always in the comments. So now in the hourly chart, another bearish Fair Valley Gap, which got inverse, so we just crossed that off immediately. We can, boom, resting point right there. Boom. Oh, well, I basically marked that. So yeah, boom, another one right there. So basically our targets of price action would be here for tomorrow. All right. Well, obviously we don't know about the Asian session gonna happen right now, or London session that's gonna happen after. But going into one of those servers, obviously, if one of these get hit, which is most likely right here, because it's just gonna push through. Yeah, you'd go in, tap it in. But all right, let me go into my trade. This is taking too long. All right, here's my trade on the funded today. There we go. So here I took a long, right? This is where I messed up, right? I had a bright idea. I was like, you know what? Fair Valley Gap right here, right? It's a very tiny one, but it does matter. Every single Fair Valley Gap does account, no matter the size. Let me tell ya, no matter the size, right? So boom. What is happening right now? So boom, I sell, right? Because my bias is bearish right now. Because at the time the market wasn't as bullish as like this right now. So boom, I sell. I put my stop loss, I believe, right above right here. Get stopped out right at this candle. Yep, got stopped out. And guess what happens as soon as I get stopped out? Little boom, the candle just drops a lot. Like realistically, it's like how many points? It's like 10 points. Whoa, more like 20, 26. That's a lot of fucking ticks. All right, that's bread. And on the thing it was like 20K. Thankfully, I always trade on the demo before I trade on my, what's it called? My funded. I know it's kind of weird. It's like a habit I got into. It's like, all right, let me try the Confluence. What's working out for today? And bam, that's how I get in. So I decide, you know what? Let's buy right, or no, let's sell here. Sold. Did I get stopped out? I don't even remember. Alright. Basically, my trade was right here. We got to this peak right here. We're in that Fair Valley Gap. Where is it? peak liquidity there. Let's just get my trade out of the way. So I was like, sell for long. Damn, here to here I took out. That was my trade on the funded, right? Which was, dang, that was kind of late, 10:40. What was I thinking? And it was low-key a little consolidation. Dang, bro, I really need to tee up. Boring vid today, I'm not gonna lie. Just recap. I know, it's trash. All these lines, all these boxes they just confuse, alright? But yeah, boom, I tinkered here too. Didn't work out well. I saw this big drop, so I was short on the double first. Thought it was gonna go down. It didn't. But yeah, that was today. Today was kind of confusing day, alright? For me explaining, because I'm a terrible explainer. But that's the gist of what happened today. Yeah, I was low-key watching baseball. But yeah, I understand it, but I don't. I'm locked in. That's what it is. Locked in day trader. 21 years old. Trash at it, but I'm still locked, bro. Put in all my time and effort. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys. Today was boring. I know. Nobody likes to hear me lecture. Everybody just wants. Tomorrow, we're gonna do live day trading. I got you guys. Not live, like in the sense, but the video will be like me. Cause I'm not sure if I could actually show you guys my account. Maybe I'm just overthinking it. But tomorrow, y'all gonna see how my heart be racing. Like racing, bro. Like racing. But I think I got used to it. I'm getting better. I can see the progress. I'll be still taking notes. Don't worry. I'm locked in. I'm not failing. I'm gonna make it out. 10K a month is gonna happen. Trust me. But yeah. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Obviously, please comment if you guys are a fellow day trader. Please let me know any tips. Let me know how confusing I really am. How bad I am. I need all the criticism I can get. Because the videos I keep watching, it's like, alright, these guys, they just understand it on a way deeper level. And I still need to get to that point. Like, bro, ICT, TJR, my mentors, the greats. But man, oh man, still a lot I need to learn. But alright, I see you guys. Much love. Thank you guys for watching if you are. Peace.